What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the no notification sound issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is enabled, then you will not be able to receive notifications with sounds. So to fix the notification sound, tap on this button to turn it off. Now after turning off this button, your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, tap on sound and vibration. Now this time increase the notification sound. So drag this notification sound slider to the right side and notification sound will be increased. And if you are still facing issue while receiving the sound with notifications, then tap on notifications here. Now tap on my account and then tap on ringtones. Now from here select another ringtone for your alarm. So just simply tap on the apply button. Now from here select notification and then that sound will be set as the notification sound, and after that the no notification sound issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no notification sound issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.